friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the super cute, cool and easy paper boat. So first you'll just need a pair of scissors and a square paper. First take your paper, then cut it into a square paper. Then we just need to fold it in half. And then we need to fold it in half just from there. Again, we need to open that fold. From here, we need to turn it into a square. Then from here, we need to get this one, then fold it up here. Turn it around, then fold all the other three like same way we did in the first time. Then open these two and then fold these two like right here. Then open these two, then give it one final press. Then if there are some like long ones like they are with mine, you can just cut them off. If they're not, you do not have to. And then there you have it. It's a paper boat. It will just float for just a little time. And that's it for now. Bye.